So we got this in the mail. Seen this floating around, and I heard some good reviews, saw some reviews on it, and I thought it would be pretty cool to unbox. Obviously, you guys know about this one, the ICEMAG, and that little cool fan right there. Let's let's unbox it here. Cut the tapes. I think we should be good. And there we go. Here's your charger. Here's your instruction manual. And here it is. Let's peel this off, shall we? There. This is, I believe, the original. Here's the, I believe, the charger. So let's put our phone here. Oh, here's the fan. You can probably hear that. I believe this is the air intake. Yep, this is it. That looks pretty cool. Maybe next, I do have another video. We can make comparing this one towards another one I have. So if you like this video, oh look, see, it shuts off once you remove it. If you like this video, why don't you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.